Let's start the 12-week presentation of the Team 3. The contents of this presentation is as you can see on the screen. Last time, tunnels and buildings were created after the construction of the dome was complete. It carried valuable works through the tunnel. The proper humidity and temperature were maintained by waterproofing and lighting inside the tunnel. After the tunnel was complete, the building was built on the basis. Because the outer walls of the building are in direct contact with the water, UHPC panel was used to prevent water ingress. A total of 3,900 UHPC panels were used, and each panel has a different shape and a unique location. After the building was complete, water was allowed into the museum. The water level was increased at a controlled rate of 15 cm per day by switching off 15 of the 18 pumps. Water was successfully introduced and Louvre Abu Dhabi was complete. The Louvre Abu Dhabi used a highly customized access floor with a seismic classification. Marble panels were used on it. Some marble panels had to be submerged. Therefore, experts protected the marble surface using the KELA Flex Maxis 1 cement white adhesive. Innovative fire protection was used to protect many valuable artworks. Fire protection features 20 FireMaster horizontal and 110 FireMaster vertical. Most of the horizontal fireproof curtains are installed in museum gallery rooms in large lighting windows that fill the room with natural lighting. Vertical fire curtains are installed on windows for boundary protection and between rooms provide fire separation by compartment. Louvre Abu Dhabi is protected from the open sea by about 2,080 marine piles, concrete breakwaters, tidal pools, and outer walls. The exterior wall of the museum is made of UHPC panel. The outer walls of the museum can bend inside and out to prevent the rising and falling of the sea. The Louvre Abu Dhabi Museum offers kayak tours at sunrise and sunset for people. The kayak can hit the wall and the outer wall can be broken by the constant wave action of the sea. To prevent this, the inside of the panel on the wall was reinforced with stainless steel.
The dome used bearings to prevent earthquakes. Seismic equipment was needed for statues inside the museum. Therefore, customized columns with precision processed devices were installed in all statues, and anti-theft systems and earthquake protection were installed. The end of the column is located below the floor, making it safe from the earthquakes. Trox TCB RB passive chilled beam was selected for important work, cooling 24,000 square meter administrative buildings in desert climates on the Arabian Peninsula. The passive chilled beam has a nominal length of up to 4,500 mm and a horizontal heat exchanger. Warm indoor air rises due to thermal buoyancy, is cooled by a heat exchanger and then flows slowly down into the zone again. Each gallery has a gallery-only AHU hidden in a basement 10 meters deep. Through these environmental conditions, independent of other galleries can be maintained. These systems are used to maintain a range of 21 degrees and 5% humidity. There are individual 55 buildings under the roof consisting of galleries, main plaza, other facilities. The Louvre Abu Dhabi Museum galleries are designed in chronological order. Each exhibit tells a story of human creativity throughout 4 wings. All the facades of the buildings are made up of 3,900 panels of ultra-high performance fiber-reinforced concrete, which can be resistant to strong heat and seawater. To devise the placement, dimensions, and programming of the galleries, they generate a seamless feel between outdoors and indoors. To achieve smooth facade without any grouting or any silicone joints, they devised an overlapping joint that only shows UHPC material with deep groove. As the permanent and temporary museums are the key buildings on the site, the main entrance is provided to access the museum, an additional emergency access for vehicle. Once you arrive at the main entrance, the white screen brings you inside of the museum. If you go through security check and reception, you will find the ticket office. Passing through first museum passage, you are in the very first chamber of first wing. When you get out of last chamber, you finish the permanent museum area tour. Now you are in the middle of the plaza, the center of the whole building. You could choose to go to the other facilities. Either you could continue watching exhibition in temporary gallery.